I just spent 2 months doing something most cruise channels never even attempt. I interviewed 11 former Royal Caribbean and Carnival crew members, cabin stewards, dining staff, cruise directors, and guest services managers. And I asked them one simple question: what do you really think about senior passengers? Their answers were eye-opening. Some will make you smile. Some may genuinely surprise you. But every bit of it is the unfiltered truth from behind the crew-only doors. Here's what shocked me most. Senior passengers are often crew favorites. But there's a small group, maybe 10 to 15%, who make mistakes that drive crew absolutely insane. And most have no idea they're doing it. Like the senior who folds their dirty towels thinking they're being helpful, but actually creates a hygiene problem. Or the passenger who mentions their 47 cruises in every conversation and instantly becomes a running joke among the crew. If you're cruising after 60, what you learn in the next few minutes could be the difference between being the passenger crew members fight over, or the one they hope avoids their section. Let's set sail. Number 10. Seniors show genuine appreciation. Every single crew member I interviewed mentioned this first. Carlos, a former dining room manager with 15 years experience, explained that senior passengers understand hard work because they've done it their entire lives. They don't snap fingers for service or make unreasonable demands at 2 a.m. like younger guests often do. Number 9. Seniors respect crew schedules. Multiple crew members told me that seniors work with their schedule, not against it. They'll actually apologize if they need something during busy times, saying, "I know you're busy, but when you have a moment." This consideration is incredibly rare and deeply appreciated. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that subscribe button because these insider secrets could save you hundreds on your next cruise. And I've got more exclusive crew interviews coming that you won't want to miss. Number 8. Seniors tip thoughtfully. James, a bartender with 10 years experience, shared that many seniors tip personally with genuine gratitude. It's not about the amount. A $20 tip with eye contact means more than a $100 tip from someone who never learned his name. That personal recognition combined with financial appreciation creates unforgettable moments. Here's a perfect example. One cabin steward told me about a senior couple who tipped $50 on day one, saying, "We know you work hard." That gesture set the tone for an incredible cruise where the steward ensured their cabin was absolutely perfect every single day. Number 7. Seniors handle problems with patience. Rachel, a guest services manager, shared an amazing story about a 70-year-old couple whose specialty dining reservation got canceled due to a computer error. Instead of screaming like most passengers would, they smiled and asked, "When can we reschedule?" Rachel was so grateful for their kindness that she personally upgraded them to the chef's table the next night completely free. Number 6. Seniors create community on board. Lisa, a cruise director with 8 years experience, explained that seniors make her job incredibly easy. They show up to activities, sit with strangers at dinner, and remember people's names. While younger passengers stick to their phones, seniors become the social glue that creates the warm atmosphere that makes cruising special. But here's where things get interesting. In my interviews, crew members also revealed behaviors that make their jobs nightmarishly difficult. These come from passengers who genuinely think they're being helpful, but they're actually creating serious problems. Number 5. The Cruise Count Authority Complex. This was the #1 complaint across all 12 interviews. David, a guest services manager, told me that passengers who constantly mention their cruise history are usually the most entitled. They'll say, "I've cruised 47 times, and this isn't how it's done," even when policies have changed or they're on different cruise lines. Multiple crew members emphasize they don't care about your cruise count. They care about kindness and respect. Number 4. Medical oversharing. This surprised me, but 7 crew members mentioned it. Anna, a cabin steward, explained that some passengers treat every interaction like a medical consultation, describing medications and symptoms in detail. She's there to clean rooms, not provide medical advice, and it makes her uncomfortable because she's not qualified for that role. Wait until you hear this next one. When I first heard this from a cabin steward, I thought she was exaggerating. But then 3 other crew members independently told me the exact same story, and one even showed me photos. Number 3. The hallway blocker. Miguel, a room service attendant, told me he's had hot food go completely cold because passengers walking side by side down narrow hallways blocked him for 5 full minutes, completely unaware of their surroundings. Crew members emphasize that walking slowly isn't the problem. It's walking slowly while blocking narrow spaces or stopping suddenly in doorways that creates human traffic jams. Number 2. Treating crew like they're invisible. This isn't about towels or toilets. It's about basic human dignity. When crew members smile and greet you, ignoring them completely chips away at their spirit. These are people quietly keeping your vacation running smoothly. And when guests act like they don't exist, it's deeply felt. But as we reach number 1, I need to tell you something that will shock you. Crew members have actually created secret code words for the most frustrating passenger behaviors. When they radio each other, they use these codes to warn. Heads up, we've got another one in cabin 8247. Number 1. The towel folder disaster. Here's what happens. Seniors fold their dirty towels thinking they're being helpful and tidy. But this actually creates a hygiene nightmare for stewards. Dirty towels need to be immediately identified and separated from clean ones. When passengers fold dirty towels, it looks like they're clean, which can contaminate the entire cleaning process and create serious health code violations. Now that you know what drives crew crazy, let me share the 5 specific actions that will make you their absolute favorite passenger. First, learn their names. Every crew member I interviewed mentioned this. Your cabin steward's name is on a card in your room. Use it every time you see them. One crew member told me, "When passengers use my name, I know they see me as a person, not just a uniform." Second, if you're going to tip extra, do it early. Hand it directly to your steward on day 1 or 2 with genuine gratitude. An early tip tells them you value their work, and they'll remember you throughout the entire cruise. Third, be specific with requests. Don't say, "The room isn't right." Say, "Could we have 2 extra pillows and a fan? The cabin gets warm at night." Specific requests show you know what you want, and you're giving crew a chance to fix it properly. Fourth, respect crew rest times. They work 12-hour days, 7 days a week, for months. Don't interrupt unless it's urgent. Don't linger in dining rooms after closing, and don't call at 2 a.m. for non-emergency requests. Fifth, leave positive reviews mentioning crew by name. Post-cruise surveys can literally change their careers. One cabin steward told me that a passenger mentioning him by name in their survey led to his promotion 3 months later. But here's something most cruisers never realize. The way you treat crew members isn't just about being nice. It actually determines whether you get secret perks worth hundreds of dollars that other passengers never receive. I'm talking about cabin upgrades, free specialty dining, priority reservations, and exclusive experiences that crew members have the power to unlock, but only for passengers they genuinely like. If this video helped you understand the crew perspective and how to become their favorite passenger, smash that like button and subscribe for more exclusive cruise insider secrets. Your next cruise could be your best cruise ever, but only if you know these hidden rules that most passengers never discover.